The Holmes-hunter Academic Building began as two separate buildings before they were ultimately joined in 1905. Ivy Hall, built in 1834, and the Library Building, built in 1860. Since that time, there have been 50 to 60 small renovations. The most recent major renovation restored historic features of the building, including the reopening of the courtyard and the inclusion of a second-floor classroom that was part of the building's original design. This $30 million renovation was supported by a $15 million gift from the Robert Woodruff Foundation and is a combination of matching institutional funds and private contributions. The renovation highlights historic features of the building while also providing additional spaces for students to meet and study, as well as enhanced offices for them to access key services. In 2001, the Holmes-hunter Academic Building was named to honor the legacies of two trailblazing alumni who forever changed the history of the University of Georgia, the late Dr. Hamilton Holmes and Charlene Hunter Galt. 40 years earlier, Holmes and Hunter walked into the academic building to register for courses, making them the first black undergraduate students to enroll at the university. Following their graduation from UGA in 1963, both went on to distinguished careers. Dr. Holmes became the first black student admitted to the Emory University School of Medicine before serving as an orthopedic surgeon in Atlanta, an associate dean and faculty member of Emory's School of Medicine. Ms. Hunter Galt became an award-winning journalist working at the New York Times, PBS's MacNeil-Lehrer NewsHour, and CNN International. The dedication of the renovation and restoration of Holmes-hunter Academic Building serves to recognize the monumental impact the Hamilton Holmes and Charlene Hunter Galt have had on the University of Georgia and their lasting influence on generations of students that followed behind them.